And let me call you back. I'll call you back.
Hello guys, trust you're doing good and very happy new year to you. Yeah, so I did the research last year in December and I totally forgot to share with you guys. I don't know, I was so busy. So in 2024, which is a leap year, 366 days, it means that we have like one extra day this year. Perfect. Now, so far we spent 4 days, which means we are left with 362 days, which is approximately 362. We are left with approximately 31,276,800 seconds. Good. Now this is where the gist is, because if you fall into this category, first of all, congratulations, this is your year. Congratulations, this is your year. So it is with great joy and happiness and pleasure I announce to you that if you are born in the year 1994, yes, 1994, this is your year, and this is the year you turn 30. Wow! And this is the year you turn 30. Wow! 3 decades on this earth. 30? Wow!
Jesus is Lord!
Yes, I know you've been running away from this age, but it has finally caught up with you. You can only run, but you cannot hide. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, sir. As you turn 30 this year, big 30.
I
remember there was a time you used to call people old. You say, she's old, he's old. But like I always say, 30 go reach everybody. Congratulations on big 30.
Sorry for the last.
So I just said I should remind you, this is the year you turn 30, big 30. And by God's grace, you cannot escape it. And you don't want to escape it, you know.
This is nothing but a man joke. It can't be possible.
This is your year. You cannot miss it, and I know you don't want to miss it. If you could change it, you will change it, but you cannot. Unfortunately, you cannot change it. Welcome to B30. If I come up with any other researches, I'll let you know. And in the meantime, if you know anyone that, if you don't fall to this category, but you know someone that falls into this category, you can remind them and congratulate them. See you next time.
In my mind, no go first.
Done.
It is what
it is what it is.
So as I was saying,
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Number one bullshit guy.